The Road Ahead, sponsored by RTC.
Hi, I'm Annie Woods for The Road Ahead with RTC. The Nevada Department of Transportation is working to make your commute a little smoother with an upcoming project here along I-80. Here to tell us more about it is NDOT Public Information Officer Meg Reganese. Thanks for being with us, Meg. So it sounds like we're going to have some smoother interstates upcoming in this Truckee Meadows area.
That's correct, Annie. We are resurfacing segments of Interstate 80, Interstate 580, and U.S. 395 for a safer and smoother drive. Beginning this month through next fall, we're resurfacing approximately 12 miles of I-80 from Keystone Avenue west to the California state line. We're also making interstate ramps safer by lengthening some of the on-ramps in the Verdi and Mogul area and adding flashing warning beacons and radar detection to help prevent potentially deadly wrong-way driving crashes.
Now we're also going to be having some improvements along I-580 and U.S. 395 near the Spaghetti Bowl.
That's correct. We are replacing certain segments of aging concrete and filling some minor cracking in other areas of I-580 and U.S. 395 from 2nd Street north through the Spaghetti Bowl to North McCarran, and that will provide a smoother and safer drive until we revamp the Spaghetti Bowl in future years.
And what should drivers know when they're going through the roadwork areas?
There's good news there, Annie. We want to keep travel through the Truckee Meadows as smooth as possible, so this work will take place primarily overnight. Drivers will see overnight lane closures and some periodic daytime shoulder and ramp closures, but the interstates will remain open.
Fantastic. And how can people learn more about projects like this?
All on our website, nevadadot.com.
Thanks so much, Meg, for all that great information, keeping us updated. You can always look at rtcwashoe.com and join us on Facebook and on Twitter to learn more. I'm Annie Woods for The Road Ahead with RTC. Thanks so much for watching. This is your RTC.
The Road Ahead, sponsored by RTC.